Hey guys, so I'm going to go in and dye this hair. This hair is Shake and Go's Naked Nature version Brazilian Remy human hair. This hair comes in a natural brown color, and my natural hair is not natural brown. I had it in for 3 weeks now, and I'm kind of getting annoyed at the color difference. Even though I don't have much hair out, it's still getting annoying. I'm going to dye it with Clairol. Clairol, nice and easy. I'm going to dye it a blue black, a natural blue black. So let us get started. Okay, so it's all in, and now I have to wait 25 minutes. But you can already see that my natural hair color is starting to blend in a lot better. And after that 25 minutes is over, I have to rinse it thoroughly with warm water until the water runs clear. And then I had to add this conditioner that came in the box. And then I will be back after I have it all rinsed out. So I just rinsed out the hair and I left the conditioner in for like 5 minutes. It said 2 on the instructions. I left it in for 5. And now I'm just waiting for it to dry. Yeah. Hey guys. Alright, so this is the hair. It is all black. It's supposed to be a natural blue black. To be honest, I don't see not even a hint of blue. But it did get very black, and I'm fine with that. It's actually been almost a week since I dyed this hair black. I want a little bit more color in this hair. And so what I'm going to do is go in and bleach it so I can have some parts blonde and some parts brown. Yeah, I'm going to go in and bleach it right now.
I've been
all done dyeing the hair. I got the results I wanted. So over on this side, I have, it's mostly an auburn color because it almost hits on the reddish side with hints of black going through it as well. And then over here on the side that I like to flip, I have my hints of blonde. As you can see, it's almost like mini ombre highlights throughout my head. And I like it because I still wanted the black color to still be the focus. And I think that's what I got. To get this auburnish color over here, I left the bleach in for like 20 minutes. And then obviously for the blonde, that took about 35 minutes or so. So yeah, I like what I came up with.